Good day, everyone. A gorgeous day down on the beach here. Thought I'd take an opportunity to just get this rolled out here. So this is the end of the Rokon series. This is Rokon build number 2, been completed, and we got it finished up, and it looks really good, and I'm really happy about it. It's all done. After the first initial startup, had a little issue with it running. It wasn't really running all that great in the very beginning, so started retracing my steps a little bit, found a carburetor issue, got it fixed, and it runs great now. I mean, it really runs good. So this video is basically showing you the last little bits and parts that we were finishing it up and putting it together. And I'm really excited about it, and I'm glad it turned out the way it did. So please enjoy, like and subscribe, and appreciate you. Good day, everybody. Today I think is the final day of Rokon build number 2. Assembly's been complete. I just got off the phone with Mike. He helped me out with the electrical. Everything has just gone together really well. So I thought I'd bring you in here for today on the final little bits. This motorcycle is going to have lights. So we got the headlight assembly, we got the tank and the seat, and of course we're going to put fuel in it and do a start. So hang with me a little bit while we go through this, and then we'll have some fun, see if we can start this thing. It's blazing hot here today, so if you see sweat dripping off of me, that's the reason why. So we're going to mount the headlight. It comes with zip ties. And it's a 4-place connection. And we got Linda filming today. Say hello, Linda.
Hello.
She's helping me out, man. I couldn't do this without help, man. Help from Mike and help from Linda, and all the people around town who help me out with parts and stuff, little incidental stuff. I really appreciate it. And of course, my powder coat guy. And just ease this in gently so we can get it centered up. That's how we go through the day. We just ease in gently. Let the Spirit guide. Man, it's hot. Just getting the last zip tie in here. Then we'll cinch them all up. Cinched up. Okay, now we'll get the tank on. connecting the fuel line. Okay, here we go. Now I got a tank bolt. Yep. Seat. Wow. Oops. Dang it. How many times has that happened before? Okay, man, that looks good. Wow, does that look good or what? Okay, center stand. All right, just to recap, brand new seat cover, brand new tires, tubes, powder coated wheels, brand new bearings, brand new brakes, brand new shocks, new brake line, new belt, new clutch, new piston, new top end, 2 piston rings, complete rebuilt carburetor, new fuel lines, fuel filter, new bars, new grips, headlights, tail lights, new brake line, new puck in the front, new bearings in the front wheels, painted the lowers, powder coated the wheel, new tubes, new tires, powder coated everything, frame, new hardware, brake master cylinder brand new, wiring complete with a for the headlight and tail light, new chain, new wheel bearings in the rear, painted, new brake lines, new air filter. Let's get this thing off the lift and see what happens. Hopefully I got enough air to do it. Get on. Excited. Can you tell I'm pumped up? This is a mix. Golden Spectre is the 2-cycle oil used here. I was told by Mike to only use that type of oil. So when I mixed up Charlie's bike, I mixed up 5 gallons and he gave me a gallon. So we're ready to go here. That should be enough to get us going. Gas cap. Open the fuel line. Open. All right. Let's get it off the lift. And because it's such a automatic drive, everything's connected.